In this demonstration, we're going to look at configuring group managed service accounts. The whole purpose of a group managed service account is to allow the account to look after itself. You may have had it before in the past where you've created or installed software, and then what you've done is you've associated a service account that you've just created an Active Directory. Downside of that is that requires more management. So let's have an account that looks after itself. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're just going to go into our Active Directory module for Windows PowerShell, and then the first thing we need to do here is just create the KDS root key for the Active Directory domain. So we'll issue the command to do that, and all we're going to type in here is a add-KDS root key space -effective time, and then space brackets get -date close brackets, then space .add hours, and then again what we're going to do here is open brackets -10 close brackets, and we'll hit enter. And as we can see, it's now come back and it's generated our GUID. Next thing we're going to do here now is we're actually going to create our service account. So let's just clear the screen off, and then we'll just issue the command to create the service account. And the command for that is new -AD service account -name. I'm going to call it web service. DNS host name is going to be londc1. The principal actually allowed to retrieve the managed password is going to be the domain controller itself, or the computer. So we'll hit enter at this point. Then what we're going to do here is we're just going to add an AD computer service account. So we're going to do that again through PowerShell. So we'll just clear the screen off and issue the command. And we're going to type in add-AD computer service account space -identity lon-dc1 service account web service. We'll just verify this. And we'll do that with a get-AD service account space -filter space star. And as we can see, it's returned back the information. The next thing we need to do is just install this group managed service account, and we're going to install this on londc1. So what we're going to do is, again, just through PowerShell, all we're going to do here is install the AD service account. So what we'll do here is we'll just close down the Active Directory module for Windows PowerShell, and I'll just launch up normal PowerShell. I'm just issuing the command install -AD service account -identity and then web service. So we'll just hit the enter key. That's come back okay. So the next thing to do here is we now just need to associate the service account with something. So to do this, because I've called it web service, I'm going to do it for my web services. So what we'll do here is we'll just launch up tools, and what we'll do is we'll just go for our Internet Information Services Manager. So what we'll do here is we'll just expand up lon-dc1. Then we'll come to application pools. Then we'll right click our default app pool, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to advanced settings. Then what we want to do here in the advanced settings dialog box, we just want to find our process model section, and within our process model section here we're just going to find identity, and within identity here we'll just modify some of these settings here. So what we'll do here is we'll just click identity, click our little ellipses. What we want to now do is we just want to come to our custom account, and all we're going to do here is we're going to set an account. What we need to do is just fill out our little table. We're going to specify our new web service and select OK. We don't need to bother about password, it's all self-managed. Click OK again, click OK again, and then the last thing to do here will just be to stop the application pool and restart the application pool, and that's the new service account created. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.